Stop everything. Listen closely.
Living on the moon isn't a dream. It's a challenge that could destroy humanity if we're not ready.
Every step on the lunar surface is a risk. No atmosphere, no second chances. One mistake could end everything.
The moon is airless, freezing at night and blistering during the day.
Moon dust isn't just dust. It's sharp, toxic, and can destroy suits and electronics in seconds.
Once you leave the lander, there is no backup, no air.
To survive, humans must build self-sufficient bases. Everything inside depends on technology, not nature.
Temperatures swing hundreds of degrees. From freezing nights to scorching days, survival is constant vigilance.
Oxygen must be generated inside your suit. Every breath is artificial, and every breath is life itself.
Energy comes from the sun, but lunar nights last 2 weeks. One outage, one mistake, and it's game over.
Gentle-looking dust storms can cripple electronics in seconds. The moon doesn't forgive.
Food must be grown inside. Every meal is carefully planned. Nothing is taken for granted.
AI monitors life support 24/7. Human error is too dangerous, too costly.
Exploration is slow, careful. One misstep could leave you stranded forever.
Communications are delayed. Decisions take the minutes and sometimes hours.
Cosmic radiation is constant. Living underground may be the only safe option.
Earth looks beautiful, but unreachable for emergencies.
Every repair outside the base is risky. One wrong move and life support fails.
Inside the habitat, everything is monitored. Sleep, food, oxygen. Nothing is natural.
During the 2-week lunar night, darkness is complete. The base must survive alone.
Living on the moon means extreme isolation. No crowds, no cities, just silence pressing on the human mind every single day.
Time feels different here. Days are longer. Nights last weeks. The human body struggles to adapt.
Low gravity weakens bones and muscles. Without constant training, the human body slowly breaks down.
Medical emergencies are dangerous. No hospitals. No doctors nearby. Only limited tools and hard decisions.
Supplies come from Earth. If a shipment fails, survival becomes a countdown.
Every drop of water is recycled. Waste becomes survival. Nothing is ever thrown away.
Airlocks separate life from death. One failure, and the moon takes everything.
Earth feels close, yet unreachable. Help is days away, if it comes at all.
AI becomes the silent guardian, watching oxygen, power, pressure, every second. One system failure can trigger a chain reaction. Survival depends on perfect balance.
Maintenance never stops. Even small damage can threaten the entire colony.
The moon may look calm, but its environment is constantly trying to kill you.
Teamwork is survival. Trust is not optional when every life is connected.
Every scenario is rehearsed. Fire, leak, power loss. Preparation saves lives.